Hello, today we will guide you through how to take profit on FXCM. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to set a profit target while placing an order so your position can automatically close when price reaches your chosen level. Begin by opening the FXCM platform and heading to the trading section. This is your main workspace for searching markets and sending orders. At the top, use the search bar to find the symbol you want to trade. Type a few characters and the platform will suggest matching instruments. When you see the one you want, select it to load its details and trading panel. On the right side, you'll see the order ticket. Choose whether you intend to buy or sell based on your market view. Don't worry, you're not sending the order yet. You're just telling the ticket which direction you plan to trade so it can display the correct fields. Next, click on Entry. This switches the ticket from an immediate market order to a pending order, meaning you're asking the platform to place the trade only if price reaches a specific level. In the price field, enter the exact entry price where you want the order to trigger. Take a moment to confirm that the entry price makes sense for your strategy and that it's on the correct side of the current market. To reveal additional controls, toggle the advanced options on. This expands the ticket with risk and target settings so you can manage the trade before it's even placed. Now turn on the limit option. This is your take profit setting, the price at which you want the platform to close the position and lock in gains automatically. Enter your desired take profit value. A simple approach is to set it at a logical resistance or support level, or at a fixed reward multiple relative to your risk. As you type, check that the distance to your take profit is reasonable for current volatility and that the potential reward aligns with your plan. Review everything on the ticket one more time: direction, entry price, and limit level. If your position size field is visible, make sure it reflects what you intend to trade, keeping in mind your account's risk tolerance. When you're satisfied, click Buy or Sell to place the order with your take profit attached. That's it. You've set up an entry order with a built-in take profit on FXCM. With these steps, your trade plan is clear, and your profit target is automated the moment your order triggers.